Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded any videos, so it was because of my health issues. And yeah, for today's video we'll be unboxing some car parts which need to be replaced in my car. And yeah, most of them are worn out. It's a very old car, so but I still love that car. So that's why I got new parts for this to keep it, modernized. Not modernized. I mean, to run modernly, without any issues. So yeah. First box. I have 4 more boxes there.
So those are the boxes.
So, oh man, my brake shoes. This I needed.
Those are good. Those are good.
My brake shoes for my back rear for the drum. These are the brake pads for the disc. The disc braking in the front. And I got new rotors as well. We'll go through that. This is my fuel filter. Yeah, my fuel filter. And let's go to the next one. What I'm saying.
Yeah.
Second box. Let's go. Oh yeah, this one is my. These are the belts. Okay, these are all the belts. AC belt, my alternator belt, and the other one is I don't know what the other belt. Yeah. So these I got it from SX8 Bangalore. That is they have an Instagram channel where they give out these parts. Oh, this is my return hose pipe for the cooling. Oh, this is the window garnish. Very much needed. It looked yuck and without that, So and this nozzle, that spray thing for the windshield. Oh wait. No, these are I think for my transmission. I don't know. I know when I gave it to my mechanic. Yes, the water pump. This is for pushing all the coolant water. Oh, with the seal they gave. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Wait, I'm not going to cut it out, so let's just keep it inside the thing. Next is this. These are bearings. I don't quite remember what bearings are these. Let's open it and see. Okay. What is this? I have no idea. I've forgotten what I ordered. Oh wow, that's nice. Definitely new. Well, it's sealed. You can see it's sealed. Lol. Damn.
It's tight, huh?
Yep. Oh no, these are my rotors. Okay, these are my rotors. Okay. My front disc rotors. Yes, finally. I'll just open one of the boxes just to look how it looks. Lol. Damn it. It's a little wet. It just came in a while back.
That's what she said.
Oh no. It goes with that's what you said. Oh, there. Yeah. Now there'll be less,
That's weightage.
No, not weightage. It'll be less, what a surface scratch for the brake pads and this, because my brake pads are they're getting worn out really fast. So that'll help it. Let's keep this on the side now. Yep. Fuck, that's heavy. Actually. Thankfully, the guy came to the door and I would have stabbed myself right now. Oh, shit. Okay.
Single channel is fine.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Whew. Okay, this is my clutch plate. There we go. Damn. Oh, that's my nice. This full clutch set for the Honda City. I don't know. Should I open this? Okay. Yeah. Thank you, bro. These things. Does it look new? I don't know. Wait, it is definitely new, but oh damn. This feels like it's used, right?
Yeah, it's not like
I mean, it's not worn out. No. Looks used.
a bit though.
Bit, yeah. It should be new, man. Come on. I don't know. Came out from the machine shop.
Let's
Or
ask the garage guy.
what? God knows. Yeah, we should ask him. This is the plate, which is most important. Yeah, this is new. This is definitely new. Yep. Nice. Finally got this. Might improve my transmission. Like, leaving the. Oh, that is involving with the clutch release thingy, the bearing, the release bearing, or what do you call it? Okay, so this is my rubber thing for the dicky, the beading, rubber beading. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do it when I'm gonna repaint the car. For now, that's gonna be there for a while. Okay, this is the top beading, which comes on top of the car, where it's like a garnish type. I don't know. I'm not opening this. This also comes for when after I paint the car and remove the rust if it's there. Hopefully, it's not. Yep. And oh, this is the transmission. Wait, no, that is my gear to my transmission, that cable. uh, I don't know the specific name, so don't judge, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be the next part. I have to be fitting this one. Oh yeah, this most important, my front power window motor, which stopped working. This is my right side. The left one will come next week probably. The guy told me he would get it by the next week. Almost all parts are here. Let me just. Yeah, this is with the clutch. This is with the beadings, front window, and the belts. These are also important because mine is actually wearing out. The pump. Okay, these two together. This will be my water pump. That's also important. So yeah, I think I've got all parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that bearing. Okay, yeah. So I have everything sorted. So yeah, guys, now the car's back from the garage. It's all done. All the parts which had to be changed have changed. The brakes, everything. I'll just show you that in a minute. The condition of that. And now my car electrician will come and fit my left power window motor, which is not working now. I have the right one just in case. I'm just like, why not just change both? Because I don't want another issue later. So yeah. Okay, guys. So these are my old parts which I had replaced. I mean, this is in good condition, I guess. But yeah, I kept this in my store. I'm like, it's not the best. Like, see, just when you tap on this, you can feel that thing shaking. When the new one was not like that, like, it was stiff. I mean, it's still in fairly good condition. I could still use this, but I'm like, fuck it. Anyway, why not just use it? Use the new one. This one was fairly good, but I was like, anyway, change it. New one. Got a new one for that. My brake shoes, man, this was in the worst of conditions. Look at this. This is nothing. This is just metal. Others are fine. I think the left brake shoes are good. I mean, there's more like other two set. Yeah, this is one. This is the other one. So this is the left side, I guess, and then the right side shoes here. Liners, yeah, most of them are almost worn out, as you can see. So it was a good thing I changed. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm in the basement. And this is my storeroom. So yeah, these are the parts I've changed as of now. I still have to fit the motor in on the left window with this thing, with the channel, running channel. So yeah, that is there. guys, let's go for a round. I couldn't fix it. I couldn't fix the fuel pump or the fuel filter because it's no, not. I just don't want to. I don't have the required tools to open it as well. So we'll just go for a round and come. And now it pulls way better than before. It's raining. Wow.
Oh my god.
Let's go. And this is the problem I'm getting. That's why I had to change that motor as well. So, yep. It is what it is. Ooh, what the f? Sheesh, bro. It's very going inside. Oh my god. Bro, it's coming inside, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro has to park his bike right there. Look at that bike. So difficult to move this car.
How did you record that shit though? We'll pass these. Yeah, you cut.
Sitting.
No. You can.
Come a little more this side.
Call Parker, bro. Horrible time to rain. I want to feel the wind, man. I can't feel. I feel very rain coming in. Oh, we barely can see.
Show me, it's A4.
Huh?
A4.
It's an A4. It's already very fogging in there.
Now you don't have scare for cops to come down.
But you can barely see the road, that's the problem. And open the right window.
Let's open that little.
Just open the small air. Outside air, inside. You can barely see shit.
ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
We just return home, dude.
Bro, it's leaking too much now.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, that's what she said.
Guys, can't see the road, dude. Sheesh. I just returned home. It's leaking so much. I tell you. It's pouring inside also. Wow.
And the worst part is you can't see the road.
Oh no. Go home, boys. I don't know why I even came out now. Come out. We know this road by heart. Just go.
But still you can't trust Indian roads.
Yes, Indian roads cannot be trusted. Oh, the fuck.
Bro, aren't we even fucking in Bangalore though?
Bro, no way, we can't
Kurg,
see.
Kurg.
It wasn't Kurg. We can't see anything.
Why defogger is not working
It's
there?
not working, I don't know why. I feel like wiping it, but I don't want to do it. It'll make things worse.
Yeah, we're following the auto now.
Auto Jai.
I'm so slow in this car.
First time I'm seeing him driving so slow.
This rain is the worst, man. Can't see. Okay, no one should come down. Boy, can't see. I want to stop for a second.
Go fast inside.
I'm going, I'm trying. How will I park now? This guy parked his auto there. Son of a gun. I'll keep it like this. Okay. She got a nice wash. I don't need to go to the car wash.
Look at the 2 flowers.
Wow.
No, but you did get a clean water wash though.
Got clean. Oh, dude, look at the fog. Oh my god. If I just had AC or something.
If you on AC, it will dewarm it, no?
No, it is not working.
It's not working. AC doesn't work.
It was working, right?
No. From before it wasn't working. Well, I think that will be it for this video, guys. Thought we'll go for a nice ride, but that rain. Pain. Well, and fine, guys. I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Probably, that'll be a surprise. The next video, probably, it'll be a good surprise. You guys will see. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Okay.